What if I told you that you could make your first dollar online with affiliate marketing and Quora? Well, in this video, that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I made my first dollar online with Quora, actually my first dollar with affiliate marketing in general, how you can do it too the right way, and things to avoid or stay away from. So make sure you watch this entire video so that you learn how to make your first dollar with Quora. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as you know, this is a part of a larger series where I'm showing you how to make your first dollar online. It was based on a question or a comment that someone posted on my YouTube video, and I want to show you how to make your first dollar. And in fact, I made my first dollar, my first $125 with affiliate marketing, Bluehost, and Quora. So I'm just going to share that story with you real quick so that you know exactly what to do and what not to do. A few years back, I watched a YouTube video from a famous, well-known, over 100K subscriber YouTube guru who said, go over to Bluehost, get your affiliate link for Bluehost, jump over to Quora, and answer questions. And I actually did this while I was at work. And by the end of the day, I'd made $125. I'd also risked getting my account banned simply because I did not follow Quora's processes and procedures. With Quora, you cannot post your affiliate links in the answers. There's a way that you can make money with Quora, but you cannot post your affiliate links in the description that will, or in the post that will get you banned. I did not know that at the time. I did it anyway, made $125 off of 2 sales, almost got banned. That is the story as short as possible. And so what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you and tell you what Quora is a little bit more in depth. We are going to look at low competition keywords. I'm going to show you how to do it without using any paid tools. I'm going to show you how to do it with using paid tools, and so that we can get up and running. As you see here, Quora is a question and answer site where people from around the world are coming and asking basic questions about anything and everything. They're coming up to hit this add question button, and you as the content creator are simply going to answer questions and potentially make money. And so there's 2 ways to do it. There's the free way and the paid way. First, let me show you my stats on Quora. Now, I haven't posted and answered any questions on Quora for at least 6 months. If we take a look here, over the last 30 days, my answers have generated over 1,000 views. If we look at lifetime here, all time, you can see I've generated over 75,000 views, 677 upvotes, 61 comments, so people commenting on my comments, and 16 shares. So you can see I used to spend a decent amount of time answering questions over on Quora. In fact, you could actually hire someone to do this, but that is a separate topic for a separate day. And so you see I was relatively active back in the 2020 era, even 2019, where I started earning commissions, leads, sales from Quora. So what you can do, and there's 2 ways to use it. The paid way is the paid way to do it is to buy Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a keyword research tool that I use. You can use it for $7 for 7 days. And what I've done is I've gone over and we're just looking through the keywords that are popping up on Quora. So I've entered in Quora.com into the keyword research tool, and it's showing me all of the keywords for how to start. Now, we want to use something like how to start because it is beginner friendly. People that are asking questions on like how to start are pretty open to purchasing something to help solve their problem. Now, if we take a look at some of these keywords here, people are asking how to start an only man's account, how to talk to a girl, how to have a conversation with a girl, how to start a conversation with a girl, how to start a conversation with a guy. These are all different questions that you could answer and potentially start earning some income. Now, the cool thing with Quora is that the questions will actually rank first on Google. So for example, if we go to one that is relatively safe for work, let's see, how to start a militia. I don't want to do that one. How to start a clothing line as a teenager. Now, this is an interesting one where you could potentially make money in a few different ways. So if we copy that and we paste it here over on Google, you're going to see there it shows up here at the top result. This is important because if you show up at the top result on Google, it gives you a pretty good chance of making some money. This question gets searched about 200 times per month. As you can see, it's ranked. It gets about 62 views, it says, from Google, and it's ranked number 1. What you can do is simply do research and answer this question. If we click on this, you're going to see that people are answering it pretty in depth. There's 20 answers here. What you'd want to do is you want to make sure that you take your time and answer this question. Click answer and go through it. Now, if you don't know the answer to this question, you can copy this, go over to Google, paste it in, and you can basically watch YouTube videos, summarize and synthesize. Don't just copy. You want to make sure that you're putting it into your own words and you're making unique, original content. So that's one way that you can find keywords. Now, if you don't have this keyword research tool, that's fine. You can always go up to Quora and type in your niche. For example, affiliate marketing, like this. Hit enter, and then go over to questions. You want to sort questions within the past week, depending on the number of questions that pop up and the number of answers. So you can see here, is it easy to join affiliate marketing? You want to make sure that you are answering this in depth like a blog post. How can I become a better affiliate marketer? That could be a good question. Maybe you could recommend courses or a book or some sort of training. But look at this. There are people asking all sorts of questions. It looks like Brian is asking questions and answering them himself about affiliate marketing, but you can see that there is tons of opportunity within whatever niche. We could even type in like something like how to start. You can see, look at this. How should I start learning Python? What are some ways to start a business? How to start a business. We'll do this one like this. And once again, people are asking all sorts of questions about how to start a business. Now, once again, you can answer these questions on how to start a business. Now, once you found your niche, and you can actually answer questions in multiple niches with Quora, which is one of the benefits, now you need to think about how you can get them off of platform and clicking on your affiliate links. Now, this is where I made my mistake early on. Early on, I put my affiliate links directly in my answers. You do not want to do that. Do not put your affiliate links in your answers. What you want to do is you want to send them to a one-page landing page. It can be a blog post. It could be a YouTube channel. You want to send them somewhere that is approved by Quora. What I recommend is that you send them to a landing page. So what you can do is, let's click on this one, how to start a business. You're going to answer the question here. That's not one that we want to use. Let's go back here. Let's go to questions once again. And let's do this one, how to start a successful YouTube channel for your business. So we're going to answer this question. And so let's say we wanted to add a comment here. What we would do is we would simply type in, again, we're going to start with a hook, story, and offer. This is a really common question a lot of people ask about starting a successful YouTube channel. One of the things that you can do, and then you can send them over to a landing page to collect their email address. And then once you send them over to a landing page, you can redirect them to a product or service that will help them start their channel. You can also send them to a free site like a Google Sites site and just say, hey, click here to learn the best way to start your YouTube channel. And that could go directly over to a course or product that you're recommending. Whatever you do, don't include your affiliate links in your post. You'll get kicked out of Quora faster than you can even imagine. So once again, what we're going to do is, if we're using the paid method, we can type in Quora.com. We can filter by keywords, and then you want to make sure that you are targeting these questions. I recommend answering maybe 3 questions per day if you're looking to go this route, and this is going to build over a long period of time. So what you're expecting is probably to start seeing some level of success within, I would say, maybe a week or 2. This is going to be more of a long-term play. As you saw with my stats, I still get views and people interacting even though I haven't posted in some time, but this can work for any niche as long as there is an affiliate product out there. If you don't have the paid way, simply type in your niche in the search bar, go over to questions like I showed you, and then you want to sort. Usually you can do the past week and find a lot of people asking questions. If there are too many questions, so sort by the past day, and that'll actually help you find, like, how hard is it to start a welding business? That could be a good one where you can answer the question. As you can see here, we'll click answer, and we can walk them through the process of starting a welding business and then offer them a free ebook if they click the link. Or, hey, if you want to learn more about starting a welding business, click here, and you want to add that in the first maybe 2 or 3 paragraphs, and then you can start making money. So, and again, if you don't know anything about starting a welding business, we can come over here to Google, paste it in, and then make sure that we are putting it in our own words, and that's going to put us in the best place to be successful. Now that you know how to earn your first dollar on Quora with affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.